Manipur University has felicitated Sktv News for its reportage and programs that focus on educating the masses about Indian Constitution. Department of Law and Center for Human Rights and Duties Education, Manipur University, organized the observance of International Day of the World's Indigenous People 2025 at Conference Hall of Law Department today. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Naurim Lokendra, President of Jaliarong United Committee Manipur, Imphal, former member of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Advocate N.G. Nongyai, and Head of Law Department, Manipur University, Yumnam Premananda, attended the observance, which was organized under the global theme Indigenous People and AI, Defending Rights, Shaping Future, and under the local theme of Constitutional Protection of Indigenous Peoples of Manipur. During the program, Sktv News was acknowledged for its reportage on Indian Constitution and for promoting a constitutional culture through its programs, such as the Manipur Files. On the occasion, Sktv News editor Raj Nongthombam was presented with the Indian Constitution, which was written under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Speaking on the sideline, Dr. Yumnam Premananda lauded Sktv News for its extensive coverage and promoting discussions on Indian Constitution. He said such programs encourages people to learn about the Constitution and in creating a conducive environment for educating the masses on their rights, duties, and on various provisions of Indian Constitution. Meanwhile, editor of Sktv News, Raj Nongthombam, expressed gratitude on behalf of Sktv News for recognizing the commitment of the news channel in promoting discourse on Indian Constitution. On the other hand, Vice-Chancellor Professor Naurim Lokendra highlighted the importance of understanding the Constitution of India. He also stressed on the constitutional provisions which are available to indigenous communities.
Constitutional governance important people honor policy, facilitation and honoring of Sktv Manipuri Raj Nongthombam editor Sktv. Sktv the Maruina Constitution Constitution culture before that there was no discussion on constitution, specifically constitution discussion. That is a welcome training. Now we are making a culture of constitutionalism in Manipur. A welcome training. Governance by the constitution. Governance of the Sakara, constitution. She dissemination promoting constitutional culture and governance by the constitution media through beyond that line.
On behalf of my organization, that is my TV channel, Sktv, I would like to thank every one of you and every viewers of Manipur and elsewhere in the globe, because now we are in the global village, and after the advent of internet, the new media, we are almost connected. We are in the same village.
India's constitution is labor simang naso India's diversity si ngak pangani adana labor diversity mayam sing asi yamna kopna constituent assembly da matam dugi intellectual mayam matam dugi India's leader mayam sing yam kopna khanar ba matungda handan nangar matungda Dr. Ambedkar ki magi ki wisdom tadul cast amoina thengarakpa adugi awana sing madugi du karmaina form to bong namgadagi hana haiba mayam sing adu mayam punamaki input to yorba mayam also well respected or badu by the constitution ni Indian constitution khangba se Indian society khangba adu Indian society khangba haibadi India ki diversity, India ki history, India ki lairiba tongan ba community mayam sing asigi lairiba problems and possibilities mayam sing collectively khangba bani adu India ki future asing ang bagi damakta masigi constitution asing khangba se dai phade haina haibigi wakhalon sida constitution si popularize tawraga praja mayam ga yesu mayam sinsiga khangna zamin nanaba haiba asigi phidam sigi objective sigi loinana koina masigi program sida koi tonganba indigenous rights day sida masigi issue sida khana naina baina koina admain tora hapsab